Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to unbox this piece from Amazon. So basically what it is, I'm not really keeping any suspense, it's a smart remote. And let's directly go ahead and pull the device outside because... So let me go ahead and pull the device right outside. Pretty much there is no overview of the box because it just came in her wrapping and it looks pretty good. It also has a manual, so we're going to just go ahead and peel this thing off. Our whole video is 30 seconds, guys. It's one of the shortest unboxings that we have ever done. So it has some nice little texture on the bottom and it has this tight grip to the buttons. The buttons are really popping out and they seem really rugged, but the whole thing feels light for some reason. I don't know why. And this battery pop, the whole thing comes out, so that's okay. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the manual. So this says the user manual right here. Let's see, it's pretty much just a blank paper on the other side, and this side it says power button, number pad, 4 colors button, pretty much something that no one uses and I really don't know the functions. So it says additional option specific to the feature in use. Okay, sure, why not. It says directional pad, up, down, left, right, and this is select, this is return, this is play, pause. Smart hub is like the place where you choose your apps. This is for channel and this is for the volume up, down button. So let me just quickly explain how to use those buttons down here. So for volume up, you push the thing up, and down you push it down. And if you want to mute, you click on the button. You don't push or pull, you click on the button. So that's what is explained here, I guess. It says move the button up or down to adjust the volume. To mute the sound, press the button. When pressed for 1 second or more, the accessibility shortcut appears. So it's basically the same thing for the channels. For scrolling through the channel, it's up, down, and for pressing, you open the channel menu. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.